Today we are reviewing Dermalogica's Daily Milkfoliant Exfoliator. This vegan milk powder exfoliant with oats and coconuts is activated by water, and after it reaches the skin, it releases the botanical extract, which helps to remove the dead skin cells. The gentle exfoliating powder is formulated with grape seed extracts and arginine, which contains the alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid. The acids are rich in AHAs and BHAs, taking its origin from papayas. Papain extract has exfoliating properties that helps to help the skin resurface and become smoother. This product also has been clinically proven to smooth the skin calmly after just one use. It polishes the skin gently to reveal a smoother, more vibrant appearance. The skin's moisture barrier is replenished and supported by this milfoliant and a calming and soothing formula that relieves the skin's stress and tension. By applying a half of teaspoon of the product into your wet palm and rubbing your hands together, you'll create a creamy lather. In a circular motion, apply the product to the face, avoiding the eye areas as much as possible. After massaging it for 1 minute, rinse thoroughly with cool water. This product is suitable for all skin types, especially recommended for with dull skin, sensitivity and redness, and uneven texture. This was review for Dermalogica's Daily Milkfoliant Exfoliator.